Hello guys, NASCAR Maniac 2009 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Dillon's 2018 Geico primary car. So let's get right into the unboxing. I gotta destroy my studio. That's fun. Here is the whole wave of that wave, and look for the helmet's liquid color chase piece. But yeah, so back to the car. Let's open this up. I'm sorry that I'm terrible at unboxing these things, but it's always this way for me. And the more unboxing videos I make, y'all are just gonna have to deal with it. And we'll just throw all this on the floor for now. I'll pick it up later. And here's the magnet. Got the 13, the cool looking design. Geico and Dillon. And then the back is obviously just plain black. So that's looking pretty cool. And the car right here. This is my first Dillon. Yeah, my first Dillon car, I believe, of history in my collection. I have a Casey Mears car, but I mean, it's not really the same. So yeah, pretty sweet looking. So oh wow, I like that camera view. But so here's the side. Got the 13 Geico and the 13 there. Geico and the 13. The bottom. Got the Chevy Camaro. Got the Geico and the 13. Nothing on the back really. Back here. Get the Geico. And yeah, this car will be used in my series. Nobody has claimed Dillon yet, so hope somebody does soon. Shout out to the people that have signed up. Thank you. But yeah, back to the car. Yeah. I'm kind of hoping, I've met Dillon a lot, so I'm assuming I can probably do it again if I've done it the past, 4 races I went to. Well, I guess I can't remember if I met him 1 or 3 times, or 2 or 3 or 4 times, good grief. 3 or 4 times. But I've met him before, so I'm hoping I can get this magnet, signed, possibly. But yeah, there it is. Let's do a little 360 view. Looking pretty sweet. So yeah, I like the design on this car. The design looks really good. I love the design down the side. But I got it in the video at some point, and that time is going to be right here, right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this diecast review on Dillon's 2018 number 13 Geico car. And sorry I haven't been posting as many videos lately. I'm trying to take a little break because I had that little stretch of a month when I posted way too many videos, and I was spending a lot of time on YouTube. In fact, the past 2 weeks, at least close to 2 weeks, I only posted 2 to 3 videos. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this diecast unboxing and review. Please click the subscription button and subscribe now. Please comment, like I said, subscribe. It helps out a lot. We're at 28 subs now. In fact, I was doing something, and then I checked 2 hours later, and we had gone up 4 subs. So thanks for that. And yeah, see y'all soon. Bye bye.